when you are going to run a program or file as administrator, the option is not working or responding.
Now I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Click on Start menu. In search, type user account control settings. Click on change user account control settings. The default notification is always notify when app try to install software or make change on this computer. The second option is always notify me and do not dim desktop when app try to install software or make changes to my computer. And the third option is don't notify me. Okay. You have to select the second option. Click on OK. Right click on Start menu. Click on Run. In Run, type netplwiz and then click on OK. You have to select this option. User must enter username and password to use this computer, and now select your user. Now click on properties, click on group membership and select administrator here. And now click on apply, click on OK. Click on apply and OK. Hope your problem has been solved. If your problem still continuing, you have to go for third solution. In search, type CMD and click on command prompt. In command prompt, type sfc/scan now and hit enter. After completing a scan process, you have to restart your computer to make changes. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.